finally, it's done. Peeling for how many days my garlic. This is the order of my palangga to make a garlic pickles. Ayan siya, guys. They were 2, 4, 6, and giant jar of pickles, garlic. Ayan. So, we add some more. Add more juice for that. It takes 2 weeks to ferment. And then, it's ready to eat. Oh, ito yung antibiotics namin sa winter, guys. Garlic. Garlic pickles. Ayan siya, guys. Thanks for watching. Love, Nanski. Sending hugs to all of you from Baker's family. Ayan. Bye.